Good afternoon and welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at the MarketSite is Peter Laurelli. He's the Global Head of Research over at eVestment, and we're going to focus on how data is changing global institutional investors. Peter, thank you so much for joining us at the MarketSite. So tell us, what is eVestment?
eVestment is a data and software solution that serves the institutional investment community. By that we mean, from a data perspective, we have over 70,000 investment products reporting their information to us. This information covers things like high-level firm information all the way down to details on their individual strategies. That includes key professionals, the sources of their assets, all the way down to portfolio holdings.
So what's an example of the intelligence eVestment can provide? How would institutional investors use the product specifically?
Sure. So one thing we did that was neat with the information, we showed this in our EI3 conference earlier this year. We track the site activity that happens across our platform. Anytime a profile is viewed or anytime a screen happens across the platform looking for a product, we capture that information. So what we did was we monitored every universe we track, over 300 universes of products, and looking to see were there certain universes that were capturing a higher proportion of site-wide views than they had in the past. And we found that one universe in 3 separate instances had their views spiked in given months. This is over a 5-year span. First time it happened was during the U.S. presidential elections. Second was during the inauguration. And the third happened when there was an announcement of a $1 trillion infrastructure spending plan. The universe was infrastructure, and I believe it was 2 quarters later we saw inflows come in, and those inflows persisted for up and through today. So in that instance, understanding how our clients, institutional asset owners and consultants, are viewing products across our platform can give our asset manager clients an understanding of where their interest lies.
Now, what are some of the investment universe, where is it attracting the most assets right now?
So there are 2 ways to look at this. One is there's a large-scale rotation driven by performance differentials that's moving money out of, say, U.S. equity into various fixed income universes. So global fixed income, various U.S. fixed income universes outside of high yield. Another way to look at it is, on the equity side, there are emerging universes that are being rapidly populated by new products, and those tend to, over time, have positive flow themes. Areas we're seeing there are international small cap strategies, emerging market fixed income, local currency and hard currency strategies, and for European clients, there's a big interest in diversified growth funds and unconstrained bond funds.
All right. Well, thank you very much for joining us at MarketSite.
All right. Thanks for having us.
And thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.